Hey guys, I wanted to take a second to go over in detail exactly what it is I do. But first, let me introduce myself. My name is Ginger Kuchbaugh, and I'm a physician liaison and CEO of MedTech Practice Management. That makes us a predominantly female and veteran-owned company. So thank you for all your support for small businesses like me. I very much appreciate it. With that being said, this is our 3rd-year anniversary. October is the month that I started and opened MedTech, and this is in my 3rd year. Things are going great. I really love this career, and I would love to turn it into something even bigger. So I'm making these videos to help with marketing. Please pass and share to anyone you think that can use our services. I treat all my patients like friends and family, and it means a lot to me. To get referrals from people that I know. So thank you very much. Let's go into what MedTech does. MedTech specializes in bioidentical hormone replacement therapy. It's a long word, I know, it sounds crazy, but what it means is we just optimize your sex hormones and put you where you were in your peak of life. We can replace them, or we can use treatments to help you produce your natural, depending on what your age is and where you're at in life, things like that. So that's all done in the consult, but basically optimizing hormones to put you where you were in your peak of life, so where you felt your best. That is the main thing we do, hormone replacement therapy. So for men, that means testosterone. We have several types. For women, that means all your sex hormones: testosterone, progesterone, pregnenolone, estrogen, thyroid. All of these things can be improved with. They do decline as we age. So we do comprehensive lab work. First, we get this huge lab panel done on you, or you can provide us with, if you get it done for free through your insurance. And then our telehealth professionals, so one of my 3 amazing physicians, is going to evaluate you for any health concerns. They're going to ask you questions. This is all done over the phone. Once the evaluation is complete, they ping me, hi ping, and then we take a look and we discuss all the treatment options that should be available to you. And then we come up with a plan, and you let me know which ones resonate with your goals, your lifestyle, your budget, all of those things. And then we start a treatment plan. And all of that comes with nutrition and fitness as well. We have medicated weight loss. That can be included in the plan. I will tell you that you should not do medicated weight loss from anyone unless they have nutrition involved with it, because most of the people I'm watching do medicated weight loss, they fail afterwards, after they get off the medication, because they didn't change anything about their eating habits, or they didn't do the right things with their eating habits. And then it's even harder for them to lose weight again. So really make sure that if you're getting weight loss from anyone, that you're getting nutrition with it too. We have anti-aging peptides. So this includes all the topical facial creams that you can get from your Botox center. We offer in prescription form. This also includes injectable things that you can use, like copper for skin tone, and growth hormone peptides. So anything that stimulates your pituitary gland so that your body can produce more growth hormone. That is the ultimate anti-aging medication, and we have several forms of it, so you would just need a consult to find out which one would be the best for you. We have amino acid injections and vitamin injections. Pretty much anything that's anti-aging and can be done in a compounding pharmacy, meaning that the drugs are made right there in the facility in one of our 4 compounding pharmacies we use, and then sent directly to you. So we've made the care convenient as well. If you're interested in a consult, whether it has anything to do with your physical goals or how you're feeling inside, energy levels, sleep, because we have things for sleep. We have things that boost your brain power as well. There's a blog on my website about brain boosting peptides, and we have sexual enhancement medication. Any of those things that I just covered that if you need, or some people that need, please send the video their way and share it with them, because I would love to grow and expand the company. This is something I'm really passionate about. I love talking to all of you guys and helping you get on track. I love all the happy feedback that we get from the success stories. It means a lot to me. So pass along, share, let me know if there's treatments that I haven't mentioned or that aren't on my website that you're interested in, and I can look into getting them compounded as well. Have a blessed day.